this is your friend SG, and today I'm going to tell you a great and a very good way with which you can redeem some goodies. Okay, you will get a t-shirt and some stickers and some DigitalOcean credits as well, completely for free. Okay, so how you are going to get that, I'm going to tell you about that in this video. Okay, so watch till the end. You will get to know about the entire method for that. Okay, and I'll also provide you the resources for that, how you can redeem those goodies. So how you are going to get that? There is a fest that is organized by DigitalOcean, Hacktoberfest. Okay, so as the name suggests, Hacktober. So this event is organized in the month of October every year. So during the month of October, DigitalOcean organizes this event. And till now, if we see, they have been organizing this event for 8 consecutive years in a row. So what is this Hacktoberfest event? So this is an event which promotes open source. Developers participate in this event, and throughout the month of October, they contribute in the open source repositories. And what is at stake for them? If they contribute to these repositories, what will they get? So DigitalOcean provides them with some goodies. In the goodies, what is there? There is a t-shirt, there are some stickers, and there are some free DigitalOcean credits which you could use at DigitalOcean. Okay, so from last year, they have introduced an alternate way as well. What is that way? Either you could redeem a t-shirt or you could plant a tree. So if you select to plant a tree, then DigitalOcean will plant a tree on your behalf. Okay, although I know that most of us are going to redeem the t-shirt only, but still let me know in the comments that what are you going to take, a t-shirt or are you going to plant a tree? How to participate in this event? So first thing, what you can do, you can go here and enter your email address. So you will receive continuous updates on Hacktoberfest. Okay, so next thing, what you have to do, there are some conditions which you have to fulfill in order to pass this Hacktoberfest event. What are those? You have to get 4 successful merged PRs in a public repository. Okay, so what are repositories and what are PRs and other stuff? For that you can refer my Git and GitHub video. I have completely introduced GitHub, working of that, creating a repository, pull requests, branches, and every stuff. Okay, so all the resources that you need to successfully pass this event, they are present in the video. I'll link the video in the I button as well, and you can check that out in the description as well. So now you have to get 4 successfully merged PRs. Once 4 of your PRs have been merged, then you are successfully eligible to redeem those goodies. So if you take a look at their website, a huge amount of participation is there. We can see that 169,000 people have participated in this many repositories, and 135 countries have also represented Hacktoberfest as well. Okay, so who can join? Contributors, they are welcoming maintainers, companies, and event organizers as well. So what are maintainers? You create your repository, you add a Hacktoberfest tag there, and you start creating issues labeled as Hacktoberfest or beginner friendly. So after that, once you have created your repository and you want to participate as a maintainer, then you can apply for maintainer as well. Okay, so you can check out the resources here, and in the resources you will get that. So let's see, this is for the maintainers. Okay, so these are the details, best practices for maintainers and application, every stuff you can check that out here. And if you are a beginner then you can check this out as well. These are the details for them as well. So just keep one thing in mind, that while participating in this Hacktoberfest, you have to create 4 PRs, but those PRs should not include any spam or invalid code changes. So last year, a huge, we can say, a huge, very big amount of people made some unnecessary and unuseful changes to the PRs, to the codes. So what they did, they just removed some unwanted white spaces, or they just made some small changes and unnecessary changes to the readme which were not needed. So that created a lot of problem for the project maintainers and the admins. So now this year, what GitHub has introduced, they have said in the guidelines that if someone, the project maintainer or anyone, reports you or your PR as spam or invalid, then you won't be able to participate in Hacktoberfest. You won't get any chance. Your PRs will not be considered. So just keep this thing in mind. Making unnecessary changes that cause hindrance in the project's working or that cause problem to the maintainers, that will be marked as spam or invalid, and in that case you would be banned. Okay, so if you are fixing some typos, making some small changes that are useful to the project, then that's valid. That's completely valid. They have also mentioned that making typo changes, if there is some spelling mistake and you are correcting that, that's also a valid change. But unnecessary changes like removing white spaces, or let's say you are making some changes that are not needed. In that case, that will cause problem to the project maintainers. So that's also regarded as spam. In that case, you won't be able to participate in Hacktoberfest. So let's maintain the respect of open source community. Let's participate in Hacktoberfest, but do all the things while maintaining the rules. Okay, so let's not break the rules and let's not break the decorum, which will cause problem to others. So go check out the website, and for now, when I'm recording this video, 3 days 14 hours are left. The event will begin on 1st October and will continue throughout the month of October. So it's suggested that you participate in initial days and complete your 4 PRs in the initial days only, because only the first 55,000 people will be eligible for the t-shirts and the swags. Okay, so if you want your t-shirts, in that case you'll have to be among the first 55,000 people to complete this event. So I'll recommend complete this event in the initial days only. And regarding that, as I suggested, as I told you previously as well, if you need any help, you can refer my Git video, which you could find in the I button and in the description as well. Or if you need any help, you can message me on Telegram or Instagram.